Did you know that the average female is 5'5" inch, and the majority of us prefer men who are 8 inches taller than us? That indicates men need to be at least 6'1" inch to stand a fighting chance. I used to be the woman who would not provide brief people an opportunity. Although I'm 5'8" inch, I enjoyed if they were just a couple inches taller than me. If I passed a small lady holding hands with a male who appeared like he could be in the NBA, I'd be fuming. Discover somebody your own damn size, and leave the high males for us tall women. It wasn't up until years later that I understood how unfair of me that was, and how numerous amazing men I had actually potentially missed out on due to the fact that of my heightism. There's no distinction. So this is me trying to work out my karma, and return to all the single short people I unfairly dismissed. Here are my top pointers to assist you welcome your height, rather of sticking on to the belief that it's holding you back. Don't get protective about your height, so you're kinda on the brief side. If somebody makes a comment about your height, you don't have to like it, however you likewise don't have to let it work you up. You do you. Do not stress over what anybody else has actually got to say about you. Tighten up your closet, don't be strolling around in pants that are far too long, matches that are drowning you, or shirts that are bunching around your wrists. What you're after is a structured look, which will assist elongate your body. That indicates color stopping is out for you. Go with a shirt or top that matches your pants, and ditch the belt. For instance, choose a dark t-shirt rather of a white t-shirt with dark jeans. Vertical stripes are your pal. There's a lot more to you than that. When you concentrate on what's incredible and special about you, you'll make yourself feel more confident, which will assist you look more confident to the opposite sex, and you'll wind up attracting somebody who has an interest in you for you. That's what everyone desires, right? The majority of females are just looking for a guy who's positive anyhow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.